This is the November forecast for the water sign Cancer. Only take what resonates and leave what doesn't. You may take nothing at all. If you haven't followed us on our social media platforms, please do follow us on our TikTok account at Ems Guide, on our Instagram account at Ems Guide, and on our Facebook account at Ems Guide Tarot Reading for your daily dose of guidance and messages. So the theme for this month for the water sign Cancer is death. This is not about the literal meaning of death, that there would be someone dying, but rather this is all about discarding, or maybe you need to let go of something in order to make space for a new one to come in. So letting go of old habits, or there are traits that you need to change in order to be a better person. So that is the theme for the month of November. Okay, so for November, it feels like there is an unfair treatment that will be happening. So there is unfair treatment, and hindi mo pwedeng palagpasin na hindi itackle yung situation, because it's making your life parang you're suffering because of this unfair treatment, na feeling mo hindi naman karapat-dapat na mag-suffer ka. It also feels like this has been a long time problem. So, kung ano man to, napuno ka na. And ito na yung tipping point mo, na kahit na ayaw mong gawin kasi labag sa loob mo, parang sinasabi dito na yung mga tao na nagbigay ng unfair treatment sa'yo, they've been doing this for long enough, and you need to get the justice that you deserve. Parang if you needed to say something, ready ka na to voice out your opinion and tell the whole truth, or parang may bombshell na mangyayari. Ilalabas mo na lahat ng saloobin mo, lahat ng nangyari, kasi pagod ka na. Parang pagod ka na sa unfair treatment na ginagawa sa'yo. With the next card, the Seven of Wands in the upright, ang tagal mong tiniis tong bagay na to the point na siguro nagkasakit ka na, nagkaroon ka na ng issue with anxiety. Tiniis mo talaga hanggang kaya mo. Pero dumating ka na talaga dun sa tipping point na I need to tell everyone my side of the story, because whatever, parang hindi ko na deserve yung unfair treatment na ginagawa sa akin. Parang you held your boundaries, or kinaya mo hanggang kaya mo. Pero right now, parang umapaw na yung dinadala mo. So it's saying here na there is a threshold, and that threshold has already broken out. Now is the time that you will be facing whatever consequences. Parang now is the time to speak up. Ganon yung sinasabi ng cards. Okay, the next card that came out is the Ace of Swords in the upright. So, magsasalita ka na talaga. Parang may bombshell na lalabas. You will be saying everything and everything sa lahat ng tao na dumuga sa'yo. Ganon yung sinasabi ng cards. And it will be a relief for you. Kasi ang tagal mo ngang hinold yung pagsasalita mo. And this will make you very happy. Para kang natanggalan ng tinik sa lalamunan. Ganon yung energy ng sinasabi ng cards. Even though you know that you will be butting heads or banging heads with people, you know that now is the time to talk and speak your truth. Okay, so whatever this bombshell or kung ano man yung pasabog na to na sasabihin mo sa mga tao, it will be grounds for you to make that, parang it will be foundation. It will be a foundation for you to build your Ten of Pentacles. Kasi, yun nga, sasabihin mo na kung ano yung mga nangyari, pagod ka na napagtakpan yung mga tao na who were treating you unfairly, or yung mga tao na gumagamit sa'yo, pagod ka na dun sa mga panggagamit na ginagawa sa'yo. And it will make you have that power. You will build that confidence. And it will be the foundation for your Ten of Pentacles. Your stability. So, with the Eight of Cups here, it's saying na you're actually willing to move forward from the situation, kung ano man itong kinakaharap mo. But at the same time, meron pa rin pag-aalinlangan sa'yo. Kasi part of you, you are actually thinking of what people will say. Kasi, your emotions, you're very much invested in your emotions about this, of what people will say, and you know that madami kang makakabangga na tao pag sinabi mo tong bombshell mo. And right now, it looks as if people are looking at you like you are so bitter about this. But the cards are saying, iisipin mo pa ba yung sasabihin ng mga tao? Parang it's saying here, prioritize yourself. Hindi mo kargada yung ibang tao. Only yourself and you alone. Okay, so the last part here is the guidance, and the card that came out is the Empress in the reverse. Right now, you are the Empress in the reverse or the Emperor in the reverse. It's because hindi mo pa nasasabi. This will be coming in November. So this is a forecast. That when the time comes that you will release that bombshell, that's the only time that you will be able to move forward, and it will require a lot of strength and courage from you. Kasi nakasalalay dito yung future mo. Your happiness, your stability, your abundance, lahat to nakasalalay sa bombshell na gagawin mo. So, if you want to achieve that justice that you deserve, you need to speak out your truth. That's what the cards are saying, or that is the advice for you guys. So to end your November forecast, I have here some oracle cards for added guidance. And the first one is awaken your authentic self and be true to you. So, I think napaka-clear ng message. You need to cut out people that are weighing you down. And you need to speak your truth. Yun talaga yung gist ng message para sa'yo ngayong November. And the last one is step out of your comfort zone and try something new. So, the cards or the universe is really encouraging you to speak out your truth. Kasi the truth will set you free. This is your spread. I hope that this will be guidance for you this November. I always tell everyone that tarot is just a guide. At the end of the day, you have free will and use your free will wisely. So good luck and love and light.